Hi everyone, today I'm just sharing with you my experience with a smoke alarm which is from Bunnings, the Quill brand. So quick story, since beginning of 2020 we installed 10 of these smoke alarms at a property, and if you can see the manufacturing date, this one is May 2018, this one is April 2019, this one is April 2019 as well. So we got this towards the end of 2019 and installed at the beginning of 2020. So that's probably only about two years old, 2 and a bit years old. It's been giving us a lot of headaches over the last 6 months to 8 months. Actually, in fact, 5 out of the 10 has already failed. So you see these 3 are just failed within the last 2 weeks, and these 2 failed over the last 3 to 6 months. And you can see this receipt from Bunnings is actually March 2022, which is what the last time I went to do a return and swap with the other ones. So have checked the Bunnings website for the review. It seems like it's quite a lot of false alarm caused by this smoke detector as well, and it's been pretty inconvenient experience if you were to ask me, waking up 1-2 o'clock in the middle of the night a few times now. So each alarm usually will cause us maybe 3, 4, 5 false alarm before we manage to find out what's wrong with it. So let me just quickly show you what's actually happening. I'm just trying to take the thing off so it's not so noisy. You can actually see it's blinking amber, which means it's fault. You can actually see here. So all of them have the same problems. Ooh, that's very loud. So if you remove that, it's actually very loud. And we have had enough of this false alarm happening. You can see all of them are blinking amber. So that one just blinked every 30 seconds or so. That one just blinked. That one just blinked again. And this one as well. So yeah, let me just take off to show you the extent of the loudness. Yep. So we just got these 2 replaced, and I haven't actually put them back yet because I was pondering whether I should be using the same brand or use a different brand. Man, did you hear that? It's very annoying. Anyway, I think that's the sharing for today. I'll try to call this company up and see what they can do about this poor experience. And yeah, if you check the Bunnings website review, a lot of them had the same issue. So apparently it's looked like a fault that is known by this product. And the worst part is this product actually comes with 10 years warranty. This product comes with 10 years warranty. So I'm not sure how I can survive with 10 years if the smoke alarm is failing within a space of 2 years, 2.5 years. I actually started from about 2 years, they start to fail already. So it's not a very pleasant experience, and just want to make this video to share with everyone. Like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave down below. If you want to use this video to have a chat with the company, I guess that's entirely up to your choice. I'm just here to share with you my actual experience with the product itself. And like I said, I used 10 of this in one of the properties, and they actually made pretty good variety. You know, this one, like for example, is used for the hallway where they can show you the lights. This one is used for the living area. They have one for bedroom as well. So yeah, just pity that their performance is not as pleasant. Anyway, talk to you guys next time, and thank you for watching.